Here is my first cleaning product from Dollar Tree. It's one of my favorites. It's called Lysol. You can use this in 5 gallons of water, and it gives you a nice fresh smell. And it's kills 99.9% of viruses and bacteria. This is great to wash things off. I use it when I mop the bathrooms, mop my floor. You know, when you take a rag and run it on your light switches, your doorknobs, wash down walls or whatever needs cleaned up. This is also great on countertops. So I use this on everything. It smells really good and it kills the germs and viruses. So this is one that I really like and I use all the time. You know, when you grab a bucket and just start washing things down, this is my go-to. And in my last cleaning video, I used another scent, but it was the same Lysol. Okay, these are the cleaning items that I like from the Dollar Tree. Number 1 is brushes. They have some really nice brushes, and they're only $1. So if you ruin them, you don't feel so bad. And I also like their vinegar cleaner. And I really like their different sponges. They got all kinds of different sponges for different projects, and they're really nice. And you don't feel bad when you have to toss them. And I also like their little cleaning cap. But you don't feel too bad throwing this sponge away for $1 for all these than you do the ones at the grocery store that's $5 or $6. Same way with this. These is only 50 cents. And my trick is when I throw in a load of dishes, I put my sponge in there to disinfect it. Okay, here's another thing. I love the soap pads. There's 10 in here. I normally cut mine in half when I do a project because I don't need the whole thing. And this is great for cleaning up even the hard water off my sink. I'm just really gentle with it and don't scrub really hard so it doesn't scratch my faucets. And this is one of my very favorites. And that's the microfiber towels. These are great for streak-free mirrors and windows. And for 50 cents a piece, if you get it really nasty, you don't feel so bad about throwing it away. But my number 1 top favorite cleaning things at the Dollar Tree is awesome. It's great for cleaning out stains and getting those hard to get out stains out of things. We even use this to clean our camper awning that's got the mold, gets mold and yucky and the black stuff. It takes it right out, even in our camper. It's great for stains and carpet. Just add a little bit to your carpet cleaner. And I'll be showing more about different things you can use awesome for and some of these other products. I hope you liked my seven Dollar Tree cleaning items that I like for only $1.